Manufacturing is evolving. The world of Industry 4.0 demands precision, flexibility, and efficiency like never before. But how do we adapt to these challenges when the tools of yesterday no longer meet the needs of today? Meet Elementiam, your gateway to the future of manufacturing. Powered by AI and 3D vision, Elementiam solutions enhance robotic and CNC systems, making them smarter, faster, and more versatile. Elementiam's software, Element X, creates optimal paths for welding, overlay, additive manufacturing, and repair applications, automating the most challenging tasks. In industries facing labor shortages and rising competition, Element X bridges the gap, enabling high-value, high-mix production without reliance on highly skilled operators. The global market for industrial robotics is projected to reach $73 billion by 2025, with increasing demand for hybrid manufacturing solutions. Element X positions you ahead of the curve. Join the manufacturing revolution. Discover the power of Element X today